This place will leave you feeling peachy. Go ahead. This bite's for you. Today, we're at the Peach Cobbler Factory. Although this is a franchise that has locations in various states like Michigan, North Carolina, Texas, and Arizona, the recipe for most of their menu items comes from the founder's New Orleans family recipes. Juan and Tammy Edgerton are former NOLA residents who relocated to Nashville after being displaced by a hurricane. Juan's family is from LA, Los Angeles, and Tammy's family is from the real LA, Louisiana. Just kidding. But her peach cobbler recipe was handed down to her from her New Orleans grandmother. My absolute favorite things to get there are the hot and fresh sweet potato pecan cobbler with ice cream on top and a bottle of their cold rush coffee. I usually ask for extra crust on the cobbler. And speaking of the cold rush coffee, the last time that I went there, I ordered a cinnamon roll with a cheesecake topping. They didn't have any more cold rush coffee in the fridge, but they actually made some fresh from scratch. So they gave me a freshly bottled serving. Look at those bubbles. And just look at that cinnamon roll. Isn't it a thing of beauty? In addition to cheesecake, other available toppings are Nutella, apple butter, orange marmalade, and cobbler stuffed. If you've never been there, check out their website to see if there's one near you. Now, I don't advocate eating there every week because it is so rich and sugary, but once in a while, it'll be a nice treat. Thanks so much for your time and attention. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I upload more videos highlighting New Orleans and South Louisiana's food, restaurants, and culture. Be blessed.